drying machine over here. We're gonna donate it. We're gonna take it to the recycling place and donate the profits to the Beyond Bows and Arrows radio show, Sunday nights from 6 to 8 p.m. on 89.3 FM KNON, the voice of the people. In the Dallas-Fort Worth Metro Mess, the 89.3 on the FM dial. If you're outside of the Metro Mess, you can tune it in on TuneIn Radio. I'm sure some of them other FM radio apps probably on there. Sometimes they have the replay on spinatron.com. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. They got a little playlist on there sometimes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Oh man, I hope we didn't get that license plate in there. So anyway, we're going to take a stab at this drying machine here. These are the 3 knives that we're going to try to stab in there. I was looking at the internet, at the YouTube, and Ravencrest Tactical has some videos, some torture test videos of their knives where they're stabbing appliances. They've stabbed a dryer, a refrigerator, car, I don't remember what all else. So I thought we might try stabbing this dryer with this Ravencrest Titan. And then we also have this Buck and Bear. I think I got this from Buck and Bear off an Instagram like flash sale for like 49 bucks. And this one is a Microtech that I got from DHgate, I think. I say Microtech, it came with a Microtech pocket clip, holster, scabbard, whatever you call it, holster. It's a little holster is what it is, and with a Microtech box. But I don't know, you know, for like, I think I got it for about 25 or 30 bucks, so really I don't think it's a real Microtech. It may just have that clip, maybe a knockoff in the Microtech covering. Anyway, we're going to give these a try. Stay tuned. This is Morgan. She's going to try the Microtech first. You go through.
No, it's just denting it.
Just dents.
Nope. Just dents.
Just dents. Alright.
Alright.
The silver one, the Buck and Bear. The $49 special. Oh yeah, I was saying that Microtech with quotation marks because I got it from like DHgate for about 25 bucks, I believe. So I don't think it's a real Microtech. This one's from Buck and Bear.
Stabbed a little tiny hole, but the other ones are dead. Oh, there's a little hole.
It's making. Oh, did it dent the tip?
No tip.
Oh yeah, it sheared that tip right down. Buck and Bear. All right, now the Ravencrest Titan. This one's the Ravencrest Titan. This is the one I was watching the videos. They were stabbing through dryers, refrigerators, car doors, car hoods, all kinds of things. 440C stainless steel, I believe it is. Let's see how.
That one did better.
Put some muscle into it. Alright, try to play like it's some Jason trying to break into your house and kill your kid. He's trying to kill your kid, dude. Does it still go in and out pretty good?
Yeah.
Try it and see, let's see. Yeah. Alright. Move over closer in front of that dryer so we can see it against the dryer. Now do it. Alright, try that Microtech again. Give it a little more whack. and then give it a few flicks and see if it still does it.
What's the matter?
What is it, man? What is it, man? Watch your mama. Watch, she's making noise.
Better.
Made a few holes.
Works, yeah.
Oh, I'm still going in and out like a champ. Try that bucking bear one more time.
Broken one.
Oh yeah, that's right. That one's got the broken tip. The flattened tip. Nope, bucking bear is out.
Still flicks though.
Still flicks. We'll get the sharpener after it and see what happens. We might be able to sharpen that one out. Your old man gave me a sharpener for helping out with the garage sale. Alright, so that was our little torture test. Thank you so much, everybody. Click like and subscribe. I'm going to go take a stab at it. The Ravencrest Titan. Just putting some holes in it, and the tip seems to be holding up pretty alright. Tip is holding up. The Microtech. That put some holes in it. That tip is starting to get dull.